up your windows. Just pull your plastic out, cut it to size. Always start with your top. And then I'll do my sides next. And I don't completely tape my sides. And then you pretty much just tape it up. Then you'll come over here. I usually cut a little extra, just so I'm not short. I'll take my other side halfway onto my metal piece. And then I'll fold it tight. Here's a blade or something, and you can literally cut it on your jam or whatever you got. Cut your loose stuff out. Now I'll take my bottom piece, get it right where I want. It tends to stick on the glass. Stay out of your way while you put your tape down. I usually fold my tape down, literally, to keep it, it's just a little easier. Then pull your plastic snug to the tape. And then you're going to fix any corners or any pieces that aren't just right. And it'll take you a couple times to get used to doing this before your time is efficient on it. And while I'm got the sprayer out here, I'm doing my ceilings, I'm contemplating on spraying and back rolling my walls as well at this point.